Greetings. I'm going to walk through a proof of this diagram with these givens, and we are going to attempt to prove that this triangle and this triangle are congruent. The givens we start out with is that segment AB and DE are congruent, and also that they are parallel. And so we want to prove that triangle EDC is congruent to triangle ABC. So first of all, we are going to start with our givens and move through a two-column proof to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So we've marked our diagram here, and now we will set up our column. On the left-hand side, AB is congruent to DE, and AB is parallel to DE. These are our givens. Right away, we should be able to see that if you ignore these segments here, these are just crossed lines, and so we have vertical angles. So angle C is congruent to angle C here. And that is because of the vertical angles theorem. All right, so now I know a side and I know an angle. I need to have a little more information yet to prove congruency. Let's take a look at this segment DB. Since AB and DE are parallel to each other and this segment crosses both of them, DB is going to be a transversal through parallels. And we're going to state that through definition of transversal. So I put some dotted lines here so that we can start to see I have parallel lines here, transversal here. That means that angle D and angle B should be congruent to each other. And that is by the corresponding angles postulate. Since I have side angle here, and correspondingly on this triangle I have side angle here, I have that these two triangles are congruent to each other by the angle side theorem. And so we just need to put that in our two-column proof, and we are essentially done at that point. So this is our line here from what we're trying to prove, just copied as our last line in our proof. And this is the angle side congruence theorem. And we are done. Cheerful calculations.